Another Samajwadi Party Neta could be under the glare over the rape bid. The Samajwadi Party, while has distanced itself, and it's not looking good, remember, after what unfolded in Ayodhya with the allegations against an SP leader. Samajwadi Party distancing here, says Nawab, former party leader. SP leader Nawab has been taken into custody by the police for allegations of a child rape, attempt to child rape. Samajwadi Party Neta Nawab was spotted with also BJP's Subrat Pathak. Basically, just to give you a background, Nawab Singh is known to be a key aide, a close aide of Dimple Yadav, and in a rape bid has been arrested by the cops.
सूचना का तत्काल संज्ञान लेते हुए थाना पुलिस और पीआरबी मौके पे पहुंची थी, जहां पे लड़की को बरामद किया गया और आपत्तिजनक हालत में अभियुक्त नवाब सिंह को भी हिरासत में लिया गया। इसमें तहरीर के आधार पर सुसंगत धाराओं में भारतीय न्याय संहिता और पॉक्सो एक्ट में मुकदमा पंजीकृत किया गया है। इसमें अभियुक्त को गिरफ्तार कर लिया गया है और विधिक कार्रवाई की जा रही है। इसने बताया है कि नौकरी के नाम पे ये लड़की और इसकी बुआ इसको लेके वहाँ पे कॉलेज में गए थे। उसके बाद इस प्रकार की घटना हुई है।
पूंजीपतियों के षड्यंत्र कराई जा रही है।
कन्नौज में जो नाबालिग बेटी के साथ दुराचार का प्रयास हुआ, उसके संबंध में जो नवाब सिंह यादव गिरफ्तार हुए हैं, उनका समाजवादी पार्टी से पिछले 5-6 वर्षों से कोई संबंध नहीं है और वो समाजवादी पार्टी के ना प्राइमरी मेंबर हैं ना एक्टिव मेंबर हैं। इसमें जो भी दोषी हो उनके खिलाफ कड़ी से कड़ी कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए।
Abhishek is joining me on the phone line on this. Abhishek, tell us a bit about this case. How has, after Ayodhya, the focus has come again on a leader associated with Dimple Yadav?
Well, Pooja, this person has known to be a former Samajwadi Party leader, has been a block pramukh, and at the same time, when this incident happened, this girl along with her relative has gone to ask for a job opportunity at a degree college which is also owned by Nayab Singh. So there it has been accused that he tried to rape her, and at the same time it was immediately called on 112, and the police reached late night at the spot and then arrested him. Now, what is the thing is that political connections are coming up, although Samajwadi Party, you just heard, is denying the fact that there is no connection with Nayab Singh at the moment, and they have already, suspended him long back, and there is no direct relation with the Samajwadi Party, but there are also photographs of him along with Subrat Pathak, who was the earlier member of parliament from Kannauj, and it is very clear that he is quite a political person there. But yes, now the things are escalating politically. The police has already arrested him. They're all set to charge him against POSCO Act. And now the girl will also be sent for the medical, and, the due course of action will be taken. But yes, indeed, his involvement, and at the same time, Samajwadi Party leader is, another leader is once again at the radar after what incident happened in Ayodhya and now in Kannauj, where a minor girl has been, attempt for rape by a claimed Samajwadi Party leader, that is Nayab Singh. Yes.
Very disturbing, and specifically when we're talking about children here, remember, let's hope that it will be a thorough investigation in this case too.